Discover Paula-Anne Porter Jones, Jamaica's top broadcaster shares 2025 communication secrets. Get ready to be inspired by Paula-Anne Porter Jones, Jamaica's beloved broadcaster, voiceover artist, and communication expert. Subscribe to our channel now for exclusive insights from this media trailblazer as she shares her top communication secrets for 2025, drawn from her illustrious career and recent endeavors. Don't miss out on tips to elevate your public speaking and media presence. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Paula-Anne Porter Jones has been a household name in Jamaican media for decades, known for her sultry voice and engaging presence on RJR 94 FM's The Sunny Side Up, airing weekday mornings from 5 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Her career spans hosting high-profile events like the World Cup Cricket opening ceremony, voicing commercials for brands like Air Jamaica and Cable and Wireless, and mentoring aspiring communicators through her company, CNIS Ltd. Paula-Anne Porter Associates. In August 2024, she captivated audiences with a presentation for CIBC's Black Employee Network, showcasing her expertise in effective communication, a skill she's honed as a part-time lecturer at the University of the West Indies, UWI, Mona campus. Beyond broadcasting, Paula-Anne is a multifaceted talent. She's the author of the 2018 children's book Sandy, Tosh and the Moo Cow, blending her love for storytelling with her Jamaican roots. Her passion for mentorship shines through in her work with youth and organizations like BirdLife Jamaica, where she advocates for environmental conservation. Whether she's riding her Honda Nighthawk 250, scuba diving, or bird watching with her 4 children, Paula-Anne embodies a vibrant, purpose-driven life that inspires her audience. In 2025, Paula-Anne's communication secrets are more relevant than ever. Her approach combines authenticity, clarity, and audience engagement, skills she's perfected over years in radio and corporate training. From mastering vocal delivery to crafting compelling narratives, her tips can help anyone stand out in today's fast-paced media landscape. Her recent CIBC presentation emphasized building confidence and cultural awareness in communication, offering practical strategies for professionals and creatives alike. By blending her Jamaican heritage with universal techniques, Paula-Anne's advice resonates globally. This video dives into her latest insights, drawing from her 2024 activities and timeless expertise. Learn how to command attention like a seasoned broadcaster, whether you're pitching a project or speaking publicly. Paula-Anne's unique perspective, rooted in her diverse interests and deep connection to her community, makes her guidance both relatable and transformative. Don't miss this chance to learn from one of Jamaica's finest. Watch the full video to uncover Paula-Anne Porter Jones's 2025 communication secrets and take your skills to the next level. Like, comment, and share your thoughts below. What's your biggest communication challenge? Stay tuned for more exclusive content by subscribing to our channel today.